we are a saddened community because we have power struggles which are not supposed to have been there. We have power struggles because of improper mechanism of choosing the VC which is being spread, and because of fake news which are spreading in the media. And we speak right now, our comrades are not sure whether tomorrow we are going to resume classes or we are also going to have the lecturer strike which is going to go on.
We have issues with the Public Service Commission should appoint for us a Vice Chancellor who will be able to serve the needs of the students, to listen to their grievances. As of today, we have so many students that are outside that have been expelled and suspended. We need a Vice Chancellor who will listen to their pleas, because if you all know, to err is human, but to forgive is divine. So please give us a Vice Chancellor who will serve the needs of the students.
This is a confidential information and a letter that shows that the appointment and the results of the VCs who are vetted. And we were given one Professor Kiama, and it was communicated in our emails, our student emails, and all students got the information that one Professor Kiama is the appointed VC of the University of Nairobi. So we would like to tell the politicians outside here that University of Nairobi is not a place for politics. And the CS Magoha, who is appointed a CS, should stay away from University of Nairobi.
We therefore call upon the CS Magoha to be considerate and should not bring politics in the university leadership. The student leaders fraternity recognize one Professor Kiama, Steve Gitahi, who was duly appointed by the council. That is the Vice Chancellor that we know.
We want to call upon, number one, the PSC to follow the lawful and legal procedure of appointment the VC as they have done, and insist on that because we already have the results, and present to us the best candidate who is supposed to run the University of Nairobi without any political affiliation or without any affiliation to cartels outside the University of Nairobi.